Hey YouTube, Tecky Tips here, and today we're going to be playing some Legend of Zelda. And this is how you go through the color palettes if you have a Game Boy Color, and yeah. I could have chose the actual DX version, guys, but this one speaks to me. I'm going to turn that down, everyone. I have been playing. I got the Master Sword, and there's like caves and stuff to explore so far. This lady's funny because you can talk to her, but she doesn't really do much for you yet. My favorite part of this game is the enemies, because you can just like charge your sword up and walk into them, and you can gain like powers and stuff. Oh, also there's that trippy like worm looking thing. Don't ever touch him. That's how you die. And there's other color palettes and stuff you can choose from. I think there's like up to 10 color palettes. There's even a black and yellow one if you're into that stuff. I mean, there's like, I think there's a pink and white one. I may show that in a second. And actually, I will show that because watch this, guys. So if you press A, B, start and select if I can get it right, you can save and quit. And then you power off, you power on. And you can like, wait, what? Yeah, there's that one I was talking about. It turns everything inverted. And you can do this a second time once you pick a game. Actually, a good example is Pokemon Blue, because when you cycle through everything, it like really inverts Pokemon Blue. If I can find the one, yeah. Because like everything is blue in Pokemon Blue and everything is red in Pokemon Red. I thought I would also show a brief segment of Pokemon Blue because it's a good game. I don't know. I got lost in this cave of Cerulean City. I recommend actually just like bringing a bunch of repels with you, and not a Magikarp, because I think I only have a Magikarp. Oh man. Well, I'm gonna probably save and then show you guys some other games that I've backed up. Maybe in another video we'll show off the Android version of I forget what it's called. The game, it's like a smart Game Boy, I think it's called, and it lets you back up games through ES File Explorer. Okay, we're gonna go to another ROM that I've backed up. It takes time to back up games though, like about a minute or two, and then you have to know where the file is. Let me know down below, guys, if you and if you want me to do that. Well, actually, I'm gonna show you guys this weird game that like it's Kirby, but it's not Kirby. Like Game Boy Color games, you can't actually shift through the palettes because they're in full color. Or well, what was full color in 90? I think 99 or 2001. I can't remember actually at this point. I was only 3. Oh, I was at the Elite Four. Well, I wonder what Mons are with me. Oh, I have a level 75 Typhlosion. That's where, yeah. I didn't level up the Suicune on this one. But, I tried. I think I have a Furt with me because I was trying to, figure out what to do with evolution and stuff. But yeah, this game I've been playing for like a year. I think I have a low time save file. No, I don't. But it doesn't matter after you beat all 8 gyms. what your time is. I'm gonna probably show off one more game real fast. Also, this Game Boy, I built this. Well, I didn't build the screen. I added the screen, and I've changed the shell a couple times, and because of which the IR sensor is covered with this cool, like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like a ribbon cable right here. Yeah, you can see it. And when you tap the ribbon cable, it goes from dark to bright, which is nice if you want to play your Game Boy at nighttime. I may show a video of me changing the shell in the future. Actually, comment down below if you want that and if what color you want the shell to be. So many different ones. I prefer transparent shells though. They have like an orange one, they have a green one, they have a purple one, and they have a red one. Maybe a blue one? I don't know. You can like choose through many colors and a glow in the dark one. Yeah, I don't know about my other saves, but I can show you guys this. When you go like this, you can choose through even more palettes, and then I think I'm gonna try and choose the inverted one. I can't find it, but we're about to see if I have a save on Tamagotchi. I don't have one. And I think I'll do a gameplay video in the future, guys, because this one is really fun because you like start off as an egg and then you have to feed the egg and stuff and nurture the egg. Then you become an animal. Well, anyways, thanks everyone for watching this video. I'll leave a link in the description down below of my cameraman's channel. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day. Peace.